Welcome to Auto In this video, I will show you how to fix the unable to connect EA server error in Stake with a working solution.
Fix 1. Check EA server status. Step 1. Go to EA Help Server Status or search EA Server Status. Step 2. Check if servers for your game, platform are online. Step 3. If servers are down, wait until they are back online and try connecting again. Fix 2. Restart your game and device. Step 1. Close Skate completely. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Step 3. Launch the game again and try connecting. Fix 3. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Step 2. Test your connection by opening a browser or another online game. Step 3. If connection is unstable, switch to a wired connection or reset your router. Fix 4. Clear network cache console. Step 1. Turn off your console completely. Step 2. Unplug it from the power source for 1-2 minutes. Step 3. Plug it back in and turn it on. Step 4. Launch Skate and try connecting. Fix 5. Disable VPN or proxy. Step 1. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it. Step 2. Restart your game and try connecting.